Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a homemade version of the Cheesy Enchilada Hamburger Helper skillet meal. Here at the stove I've heated up my skillet and I've already gone ahead and added in 1 pound of ground beef. I'll also be adding in 1 small diced onion. After about 5 minutes the hamburger's browned up and the onions have started turning translucent. Next I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. In here I have 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half of a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of salt, a fourth of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of, I'm using parsley, but you can certainly use dry cilantro here. Once the spices are stirred in, I'll be adding in 1 cup of beef broth, 1 cup of milk, and 2 cans of enchilada sauce. Once the sauce comes up to a boil, I'll be adding in 2½ cups of shell pasta. Once all the pasta is submerged, I'm going to drop my heat down to a medium-low, covering it with a lid and allowing it to simmer for 12 minutes or until the pasta is done to al dente. Once the noodles are tender, I'll be turning off the heat and adding in 1 cup of shredded cheese. Today I'm using Colby Jack. Once that's stirred in, I'll be topping it off with another cup of the Colby Jack cheese. And then I'll be popping the lid back on and allowing the residual heat to melt that cheese for a couple of minutes. I've gone ahead and served up a portion and I've topped it off with just a little bit of sour cream and some sliced green onion, though cilantro or even fresh parsley would go good on top of this. Now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. Well, it definitely has a little bit of a kick to it. The sour cream does help tame some of that down. I did use the medium spice level enchilada sauce, so if you're looking for something not quite so spicy, go with the mild, and you can definitely leave out that cayenne pepper if it's not what you're looking for. Overall, this is very good. The noodles are perfectly cooked. It's nice and cheesy, exactly what I was looking for a quick under 30-minute meal tonight. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.